For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your...
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am really excited for today's Clean With Me. We're gonna be tackling both my girls' room, and I'm sharing a home DIY project with you guys that is really easy, and we're just kind of revamping a table. So I'm gonna share that with you guys first before we get on into the cleaning motivation. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. Now let's jump right into the video.
Lord, you come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
So as you can see, I spray painted this top and it ended up being quite streaky and it just wouldn't cover. This was after 3 different coats. So I ended up going in with this linen white chalk paint and it ended up turning out so good. Here is the before and after of the DIY project. I love how it turned out. I think it's so cute and so girly, and I'm happy to have just that ugly color out of the room. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time now, and I'm really happy to have gotten it done. So next we are going to get into some cleaning. So I would love if you put me up on whatever device and got cleaning with me. I'm starting off in my youngest daughter's room.
There's nothing like wine. There's nothing like wine. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
So now that I have completed just those daily tasks in her room, I'm gonna go ahead and start deep cleaning a little bit. We are washing her floors today. As you can see, I pulled out my mop. We're going ahead and doing that. I'm also going to be wiping down her dressers and stuff, and then we're also tackling the baseboards a little bit later on in the video in a different room. And so stay tuned if you want some extreme cleaning motivation.
The time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I had to include that clip in here, you guys. I'm literally laughing watching this footage back because I remember being like, what is happening in this closet right now? It was just a little overwhelming. And having a small house, you guys, can be so tricky to get like good angles and stuff when I am filming. And so yeah, that's why I try really hard to kind of just switch things up and add in some little moments like that in my videos, as I think it kind of keeps it exciting. As again, when you have a small house, you can't get all the different angles that, you know, some of the bigger YouTubes can get. And yeah, anyway, that's totally off topic. Now we are just going ahead and cleaning all of the surfaces in her room. We actually ended up getting rid of this vanity this day, but I didn't show it in the video as my husband just kind of did it on his own. And then I really like how it looks. We put something else here, and so stay tuned for that in a future video. But I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to clean everything here. We're gonna vacuum, and we're also gonna mop in her room for some deep cleaning motivation.
Sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
Moving on to the master bedroom, just getting some daily cleaning tasks done in here before wiping everything down in the bedroom, as well as tackling our dining area, which is coming up. We are gonna do some deep cleaning in the dining area, as it had been a while since I had actually done anything. And I'm not gonna lie, there's some things that I do in today's video that I haven't done since we started renting this house, which was 2 years ago at the end of the month here. So that is totally crazy, but stay tuned for some insane before and after transformations.
just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
So it had been a while since I had wiped this area down. I wanted to go ahead and give it a good clean, but I'm not gonna lie, this area right here, I have not cleaned since we moved into the house, and I am super embarrassed to even admit that. It was so dirty and dusty, and I don't even know why I haven't cleaned it. I just kind of forgot about it and neglected the area. So yeah, it was pretty bad. And then on top of that, I don't think I have ever dusted these picture frames over here either. So I wanted to go ahead and do that as well. And then wait until you see, I don't know if you can see in the background, if you look closely at the door there, it is really dirty, and I have a incredible before and after transformation coming with that.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living.
So now that those are all clean, it feels so good to get that done. I wanted to quickly show you guys this organization stuff I got, so stay tuned. I will be doing a clean and organization, actually 2 of them coming up here on my channel, but now it is time to tackle this door. I'm first gonna go ahead and vacuum up the little like pine needles and stuff that were in there before going ahead and using a cleaner. I did try and use the Go Clean Co method, and you will soon find out that that did not work, and I had to try something else.
Can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
All right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys got some motivation from this. We did tons of deep cleaning. I'm really happy to have gotten the baseboards done in my dining room area as well as the front entryway. I definitely like to work kind of little by little, otherwise it can get really overwhelming. And so I encourage you to do the same. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So baby,